This video is to show parents how to use the IIQ Helpdesk ticket in case they need to enter a ticket for any of their students' accounts, devices, or for themselves. On the McCarthy homepage, go to the Parents tab, scroll down and click on IIQ Helpdesk. And once the screen comes up, they can now pick which particular issue they are having a problem with. For example, if it is one of the accounts like X2, then they can go to Software Account System, click on it, scroll down, and find the Follett Aspen, which is the Student Information System. Click on that, and then they can take a look at the listed problems. For example, if it's an issue with the parent portal, or if it is an information about student information being incorrect in X2, they can click on that particular problem, and they can then decide again which particular issue they need to pick. If the issue is not listed, they can just click on Issue Not Listed and describe what the issue is, maybe give details of how to be contacted, and we will have somebody from the technology department contact them. They just have to click Submit Ticket at the end. Up on the top over here is the pathway that they used to get to this point, which was the McCarthy Middle School and parent portal. So if they need to go back and pick something else, they can hit the back button. If it's the device, for example, if it's the student's Chromebook, then they can click on that, and then they can pick again the topic that they need help with. I hope this helps the parents or guardians if they need to enter a ticket for a student or for themselves.